Hiya, just wanted to do one of those workshop entrance shots. Hiya, new project. It is a small, I suppose, French style like coffee table. It has walnut burl veneer on the top and it's been quarter matched on the grain. I don't know if you can see that. I was asked originally just to strip and refinish the top only, but I looked at, when I saw it, I saw the legs and I saw all this business going on here, and it just looks a bit naff to me anyway. I don't know about you guys, but it just doesn't really do it for me anyway. There's just a lot of colouring out in places and I'm thinking, what's that all about? It's where someone's gone around with a stain brush and stuff, and it just, why? It's a bit odd. So I said I'll probably be best if I strip the whole lot, because when I come to do the top will end up looking far better than the bottom part of it. So they said, yeah, okay then, you know, they agreed, then fair enough, we'll let you do that then. And I said, great. And then I get it home, and then on further inspection I realise that actually the legs are mahogany. Mahogany is kind of reddish, pinkish, orangey looking wood. When you polish it, it would just end up going far darker than a already bleached walnut top. Now this would have been bleached originally to make it look lighter, so it goes like a more orangey colour, basically just so that it helps to show off the grain, because it does have amazing interesting grain. If you left walnut in its original state, you probably wouldn't see that as much when you come to put some French polish onto it. And some French polishes anyway, have a stain in it already, and when you go over it, it will just get darker and darker and darker the more you go over it. So there are other polishes that are just clear, but they still have that orangey tint to it, so it'll just get more and more orange. So you can't really win. So bleaching the timber has been, in the past anyway, been the best way to go. However, these days the 2-part bleaches, to get hold of them is really difficult now. So I had my work cut out on that front. I kind of envisaged that this could be a bit of a problem. So I did my research, looked into the chemicals that are used usually for part A, part B bleaches, where you put part A on and it darkens the wood, and then you leave it to slightly not go completely dry, but it's just on the turn of drying, and then you go over it again with the part B. So I thought I'd quickly step in here with an edit, and basically cancel out a whole load of stuff. As per usual, I waffled on and on and on about how difficult it was to get hold of the stuff, at what strength I needed it, blah blah blah. To cut a long story short, and you'll probably be glad to hear this, I've just cut to the chase. I managed to get the stuff. I did some test pieces. It worked a treat, and we can now knuckle on with the work. It's not all plain sailing though, because there was another problem later on. You'll see. sure what this is. It came through on the finish as a horrible black mess. I've sanded it down and it's not going away anywhere. But if it's not going to come out, then I know I'm going to have to colour it out.